Hello everyone, I hope that you're fine and doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to extend your internet broadband and home network using the Wi-Fi Mesh solution. Let's get started. So Wi-Fi Mesh is a set of boxes. Usually it's 3 boxes that you can get into one pack that used to communicate to each other wirelessly and could cover wireless up to 400 meters square, which is huge. I have here with me a pack containing the Wi-Fi Mesh boxes that we'll unbox together. This is D-Link Mesh 1103 cover. So when you unpack the package, you will get some document containing all the user manual, as well as the password for the wireless, the default one. And when we have here the 3 boxes, they have all the same specs. So I'll take one of them. They have the same size and the same specs. You can get here behind the box, you have the power button, you have 2 Ethernet ports that you can use to get a better bandwidth, and you have the power connector. On the front you have just the name of the box cover. On both sides there is nothing, still white. At the top of the box you have the LED that show you if it's synchronized or not. If it's amber blinking, it means that it's not synchronized. When it's white, fixed white, it means that it's synchronized. And at the bottom you have the sticker containing all the box information, like about serial number, the Wi-Fi password, and you have the QR code that you need to scan when you set up for the first time the box. I will show you in the second part how to set up the box in very easy steps. So it's very useful because you can cover you have a wireless coverage up to 400 meters square, which is huge. And the purpose of this solution is to dedicate one. As I said, all the boxes have the same specs, so you can use which box you want or whatever, because you need to dedicate one as a transmitter, as a master. So you need to connect it to your primary router, your ISP router, and it will get internet, and it will share internet with the other boxes, that they will be receivers. So one dedicated transmitter mesh box, and the 2 others will be receivers. So for example, you put the master, the transmitter one, in the ground floor. You put one of the 2 receivers in the first floor, and you could put the 3rd box, the second receiver, in the 2nd floor if you have 2 floors. So it will cover all your house with high wireless signal. So this is general definition. So now in the second part I'll show you this very easy steps to set up your box. Hello everyone. So now I'll show you the steps to follow in order to set up your Wi-Fi mesh boxes. So as you can see, we do have here the first box that we use as a transmitter. We have my router, my ISP router, Bouygues Telecom, and I have here the second box that I use as a receiver. I connected another one in my garage to use it as a second. The purpose is to extend your network, internet broadband, up to 400 meters square, which is huge. For example, you can use the first box as a transmitter, so you have to connect it to your router to get internet. You can connect the second box on your first floor, and the third box you can connect it to the second floor if you have 2 floors. So this way you will get like about high wireless coverage up to 400 meters square. Okay, so first thing to do is you need to download an application called D-Link. We'll do it together. You'll have, as this is iPhone, I will go to App Store. I will look for D-Link. So just type in D-Link Wi-Fi. This one. So D-Link Wi-Fi. And I'll download it from the App Store. Once done, just click open. So we have an agreement, you have to click on agree, allow. So just click on allow while using the app. Allow again. Okay, so now we need to use the you need to set up the first box, which is the receiver. So we just need to click on the plus here, and then click on scan the QR code. Then click OK. It will use your camera, your phone camera, and then just need to take the D-Link, take the bottom of the box and show the QR code. Now it detects the box. Just need to click the set up new network, and then it asks you to connect the Ethernet cable from the mesh box to your router. Just go ahead and do it. Connect it on both sides, so from the mesh box to your router. Once done, click next, and then it asks you to connect the power supply from the box to the power plug. So just connect the power supply, and it asks you to not power on the device at the moment, the others. Once done, click on next. It will scan. So now it asks us to check the LED on the top of the box. If it's blinking orange, you need to click next. On my side, yes, the box is, I'll show you. I'll show you now. Okay, so if you can see here, the LED is blinking orange, as you can see. So we are okay. Now we'll go back to the application. Okay, so as our LED is blinking as it said, so we need to click on next. And then, yes, click on next also again. You have to click on D-Link in order to connect to the
to the cover mesh box and click on join. So it's setting up the box with the router. So the setup will be automatically set, so just need to wait. Okay, so now we need to set up the SSID of the Wi-Fi of the mesh box, as well as the password. So we will leave the default settings, as this is just for showing you how to set up the mesh box. So we'll click on next, and we have to set up the password for to log in for admin. We will just put QWERTY, QWERTY 123 exclamation mark, just for test. So click next. So here it asks you if you wanna download and install the updates for the box automatically. So yes, we need to I prefer to keep it by default. It will automatically download and install the updates. So now it gives you all the information about the settings. So click save. It's good. So now it's doing the last settings. And now I have the white LED. It's not blinking anymore on the router, so I'll show you shortly. So now it asks you if you are using Amazon Alexa or Google or Google Assistant. In my case, no, I prefer to not use it. So if you wanna use it, just click on register, or else you can click just on not now. I'll do it now. And now it asks you to place all the others mesh boxes into the first floor, or where the place you wanna extend the wireless. So on my side, I'll connect all the boxes that I have, the two others. One I already connected to my garage, and the other one I'll connect it now. So I click now that all the devices are powered on. You have to click on next, and it asks you to connect the power supply for the other box, that thing that I already did. Click on next. The same, next. Now it will ask you to check the white LED solid, that if it's on. So we click on next, and congratulations. So we'll wait a little bit. Now it's detecting the other devices. Need to wait a little bit. It will scan and to find all the other devices in order to synchronize them. Now, as you can see, it found, like, it give you now all the what it found. So it found like two devices. It synchronized two devices. So I mean, the primary one, the one in my with the transmitter, and the one in my garage. So we'll check this out. So yeah. Okay, so now if you can see, as you can see now, we have the LED white not blinking anymore, so it's synchronized. So now we'll go to my desk and we'll test the connection. So see you shortly.
Hey, so we just finished setting up the mesh boxes. As you can see, I'm in my garage right now, and I do have the third boxes, the third box. It's white, so it's not blinking anymore, amber. So I do have now internet. As you can see, I'm using the Ethernet cable. So now I'll check the connection. I did that Google, so yeah, I'll check with this speed test. Okay, the ping is good also, so yeah, I do have about 200 megabytes. Actually, I have 2 gigabytes per shared internet broadband, which is like 1 gigabyte per Ethernet port, which is not bad with the 200 megabytes because I'm far from the box. So yeah, it's working perfectly. So that's amazing. So yeah, this is the steps to do in order to set up the mesh boxes. As I said, you can put the first box receiver in the first floor and the third one in the second floor. It will extend your internet broadband, your wireless, up to 400 meters square, which is huge. Yeah, so we finished. That's it for today. Hopefully you like the video. So see you on next video. I'll show you how to set up the CPL connectors. Yeah, that's it. So enjoy. So take care of yourself and peace on you. Salam.